ironically, 2020 ended up being kind of a travel year for the Walker family. We had planned a trip to Florida in March, which, due to all the beaches being closed, we had to cancel that. So we had some airfare, and we were tired of being in Wisconsin. So we booked a flight to go visit my brother, Colin, and his wife, Kristi, um, in Seattle, Washington. And they actually live north of there a little bit, Lake Stevens. It was a great little town on a lake, which is always great for us. We love being out on the water. And so one of the first things we did is we went out and explored some falls that are right by their house. And we also went out to Orcas Island, which is a lot of this mountaintop footage that you're seeing. It's so cool to get up on that mountain on Orcas Island because you can see so far. A lot of times in mountains, you can just see the next mountain over, which is very beautiful, but nothing like you get when you're on top of an island mountain. You can see so much further. We could see all the way to Canada, which was probably 30 miles away, maybe 40 miles. We had a great time. We also rented a boat and got out in Lake Union and Lake Washington in actual downtown Seattle. That was a ton of fun as well. Water was cold and chilly, but it was kind of neat to rent. We actually rented a Bayliner like we used to have, although the 20-foot model. And we had a great time out on the water, enjoying ourselves, and got to see some sights and a part of Seattle that they'd never really seen very much of. Hopefully you enjoy the video.